Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. Today, I'm going to share my 2021 March planner setup. I will also share some thoughts and experiences of mine after 2 years of bullet journaling. Stay tuned. In today's setup, I will use my brand new flower melody themed sticker sheets and the 3 matching printable for it, which will be especially fitting for this spring season setup. I printed these printables on sticker paper, which will make it much easier to put onto my pages. You can do the same thing too. It really saves me so much time to just stick them on instead of gluing them one by one. As usual, this month, I have created a free printable for you. I really love these beautiful fresh spring colors and the flower design elements, and I hope you do too. Please check out the link down below in the description for the details. I also created another 2 sticker sheets. It's month script word planner stickers. These months of the year stickers are functional stickers that are perfect for any calendars, planners, or bullet journals. Recently, I have been using mulberry papers to decorate my journal pages, since I really love how they look, so I will be using them in this setup too. It's very easy to tear the mulberry paper with water, which also preserves the beautiful textures of the handmade paper filling. I will also use this beautiful handmade paper in this setup. I found a similar mulberry paper pack on Amazon if you are interested in using this type of paper too. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. Now I'm creating my March cover page. On the left hand side, I'm designing a collage to show the feeling of spring. I'm using green as my main color and using some earth tone color papers along with some abstract leaves and fresh flowers from my printable and the sticker sheet to make a lively collage. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with a new video. Also, please leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment down below. I'm really thankful for your support and encouragement to my channel and my videos. It means the world to me, and it also helps me to want to keep making videos to inspire others. Also, please check out my Instagram if you'd like. I post every page from my bullet journals there. The link is in the description. If you want more bullet journal ideas, check out my Pinterest boards. I have a whole section for bullet journal ideas there. On the cover page, I'm using one of the photos from the free printable I made. I really like this chilly and brisk feeling in the picture to show that spring is coming. I'm also using my 2021 mini calendar March sticker to stick on along with this photo. I also have a free 13-page floral planner kit printable and some other free printables like the mood tracker, the Selfcare planner, sunset themed planner printable, and much more that I made for you too. If you haven't already downloaded these printables, please check the free download link down below. Next is monthly calendar and the ideas page. First, I'm drawing lines for the calendar. Then I'm using one of the photos from the free printable I made along with some different colored mulberry papers to put on this page. I'm using the stickers from my new planner sticker sheets. They make this whole setup so much faster, and I have so much fun decorating these pages. As I mentioned before, I would like to share some of my thoughts and the experience after 2 years of bullet journaling. Whenever you want to draw or create something, do you ever feel like you don't know what to draw or create? Even though this happens to everyone sometimes, however, I believe that since God created not only us, but also all the beautiful things in this world, including the earth and all the creations, He gave us a heart that would want to create something as well. If you like planning, I think bullet journaling is a very good thing to do for you. Furthermore, from an artist's eye, bullet journaling is also a very good thing to do to help enhance your creativity and your endurance for creating art. One of the things I really like about bullet journaling is the freedom that you can create different things for each month, or if you want to, each page. I create different things each month to reflect my feelings. For my opinion, bullet journaling is good for people who want to create bite-sized art without too much pressure. I think that creating a masterpiece with a large canvas and fancy paints would make most people feel too much pressure and get stressed when making it. However, when you create your art in bullet journal, it's a mini creation with 10 minutes or 30 minutes of effort. Next, I'm making my to-do page on the left-hand side and the note and the reminder page on the right. You probably heard that art journaling can improve your mental health. I think so too. When you place some of your prepared elements on the page, you may feel like the paper color is too strong or too dark. Some of the elements may look too crowded or the designs too similar. When you determine how to place the materials, that's a process where your heart speaks through your hands and eyes. I really enjoy this whole process. Relax, then see how your heart brings you to design these pages. You can create whatever you'd like, and you wouldn't need to panic if you make a mistake or if you don't like a page you made, because it's only one page out of so many. It would be totally okay because you can just create another page. So if you try to create something else, but if it didn't turn out as well as you want it to be, you know what to do next, right? Yes, create more pages. There is a quote from 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘. If you are going to achieve excellence in big things, you develop the habit in little matters. Lastly is my tracker, bill, gratitude log, and the text page. Since I need a lot of space for the tracker, I only decorate the bottom part and a little bit of the upper part. I'm using some word fatty stickers from a Making Memories sticker sheet to place some words. These words really light up the whole page, and it's pretty too. A lot of people are struggling in trying for perfection. As Melody Beattie said, striving for excellence is a positive quality. Striving for perfection is self-defeating. There is nothing that humans can do perfectly. So what we need to do is to try and try and try it again. In bullet journaling, you can try to use many different mediums like colored pencils, ink pens, watercolors, and so much more. And you also can try many different styles to see which ones suit you and what you like. As you can see, I try many different styles and ways to make my bullet journal every month. It's a very fun process for me to experiment with many different ways to express my creativities. That's the reason why in this month's setup, I'm trying a new style, which are collages and art journaling. I let my intuition bring me to create these pages. The colors, the papers, the elements, they all come together to help me express my feelings. If you have never tried creating with this kind of style, I encourage you to try. If you have done this before, you know what I mean, right? I don't want this video to be too long, so I will post how I designed my weekly spreads for this month in the next video. I made 5 different weekly spreads, and I'm really satisfied with how they turn out. Please stay tuned for my next video if you are interested to see how they turn out and how I designed them. Now is the final flip through for my March setup for my bullet journal. I hope you like this collage and the art journaling style setup. I had a lot of fun using mulberry paper and this new flower melody planner stickers and the printables to decorate my journal pages for this month. Don't forget to get this flower melody themed free printable. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using it. Also check out my shop for these flower-themed planner stickers if you want to create similar looking collage pages for your bullet journals as mine. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!